Oh my good.
Oh my good. Man, I'm hungry. Maybe I'll go downstairs and grab a Snickers bar from the vending machine. Or maybe I'll grab a made from scratch with real Italian ingredients, hot, made to order pizza from a vending machine in 3 minutes.
What?
In 3 minutes, I'm gonna get a hot margarita pizza with ingredients fresh from Italy. So here we go. Number one. The change comes out. Oh, here we go. So we got the fresh dough, all the ingredients from Italy. Just mixing the dough. Finger, finger, finger. Wonger, wonger, wonger. The dough's coming out. Looks pretty fresh. I don't know what's happening here. Like a little hot oven spinning around. 한국에 처음이죠? 네, 처음. First one in Korea.
맛 좀 볼 수 있어요?
네. 한번 먹어볼래요?
맛을 봐야 될 거 아니에요.
맛 봐세요.
보여줘봐요. Show me.
I don't know who these people are, but they want my pizza. Especially him. He wants my pizza. 잠시 보세요.
Okay, thank you.
맛이 어때요?
Very good.
Very good.
Very good. Oh,
Very good.
lively, freshly.
Lively, freshly.
Freshly.
This is my pizza friend.
Oh my good.
Oh my good. Not only do you get a pizza for $6 in 3 minutes, it comes with your own take-home box. 3 minutes. That's the pizza. I can't believe this. Welcome to the age of the Jetsons, where you can get a pizza out of a vending machine in 3 minutes. It'll take longer for me to poop this out than it actually took to make.